Oh, it's already hardening up on me, man. If you're a woodworker and you've never used Bondo, you're missing out. Now this is Bondo for woodworking. I've always used automotive Bondo and it's great. Apparently this is a little bit more flexible than the car stuff. So we're gonna try this out for the first time today. This will be a quick video. I just want to show you how I use Bondo in woodworking. What I'm currently working on right now are parts for a old vintage video game named Tron. And I have a friend and a fellow YouTuber that's an artist, and he's refurbishing this game. I'll tell you more about Donnie, and I'll link his channel down in the description. He's an amazing artist. And if you like inked art, and I'll show you a picture of what I have. If you like this kind of stuff, check out his channel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill in the back of this game. This is the back of this video game, and it sits on an angle like this. Donnie has the rest of the parts. So I'm making these parts so he could just paint them. The thing we're gonna do today is fill in this gap. And I used some putty, but it's working like crap. So that's why I wanted to use some Bondo, and I wanted to share that with you. So we're gonna fill in all these little imperfections, and mainly this gap right here with Bondo. I'm sweating. It's 95 degrees out here, 9 in the morning, 30% humidity. I feel like I'm back in Georgia, and I'm in Palm Springs, California. Excuse me for 1 second while I wipe this off. So one of my favorite things to do, this is a simulated countertop. Okay, I glued and brad nailed this front edge piece to strengthen the countertop. And now we want to make this look like it's one piece of wood, and Bondo is going to help us do that. And I'm going to show you how we do that. Any non-porous surface will work. Plastic, metal, tile, doesn't matter. I picked this up at Home Depot for 10 bucks. I usually use tile or something else. Okay, here's the hardener, here's the Bondo. There we go. We're going to put down about a 3-inch blob. And the hardener, I always like to squeeze the hardener a little bit before I open it. Okay, I'm just going to put a line right across. That's what I do. And that's kind of what the directions say as well. Now, I'm just going to mix this up. About 3 or 4 minutes, it says, till it's all blended up. I'm going to be very generous. Very generous. Man, it's too hot out here. I don't think it was too much hardener. I think it was, I didn't work fast enough. Go like this, like this, like this. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. There. You see some low spots right here, but overall that line's good. It's filled. I'm just gonna cosmetically just fix this a little bit right here. So this right here, I left this Bondo right here. So look at that, just feathered in, and you can see right here, When it feathers in, there's not a real hard line. There's a straight line there because that fills in right in that gap, but there's no hole. So that's how you make a cheap wood look like a decent countertop. And that's what I did in the laundry room. Then I primed it, painted it, and then put epoxy over it. But see, no one will ever know once this is between a wall or a cabinet. And I just rounded that edge over with the sander. But you can do whatever you want. But it looks more like a solid piece of wood now. And you know it's not. Blend it in pretty good. Now I left this hard edge right here so you could see. I could feel this hard edge. I'm going to blend it out, but I wanted to show you first. So when they're like this, blurred and blended is good. That hard edge is not good. I'm going to have to sand that a little bit more. It's hot and humid, and I don't live in Georgia anymore. This Bondo, first time using it with wood, I don't like this Bondo. I prefer the auto body Bondo. And now I'm going back to the auto body Bondo. So Bondo, whatever you did with this, maybe it's too hot and humid, I don't know. But I've been working in this garage for 25 years with the other Bondo, and it sets up better and it spreads better. So that's my honest opinion. I'm gonna leave a video right here. I took over my wife's project, the last one I'll ever do like that. But I used Bondo there, a lot of Bondo. But it was a different type of Bondo, and it was to fill the grain. And it's very easy to use. Check that video out. Whew. Until next time. Bye for now. Whew. All right, here's Donnie's artwork. He inks these by hand and then prints them out.